Hi, my name is Belén de la Torre. I am studying in a cabin on the outskirts of the city on my next vacation. I am eating chocolate near the lake. I am sleeping in the middle of nature. I am walking in the middle of the forest and enjoy the landscape. I am reading and enjoy the pace of nature. I am doing extreme activities. I am enjoy the warmth of the fire. My handbags and I are watching the stars. My family and I are going for a walk near the lake. My children and I are climbing the mountain. Thank you.